Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how I install screws, concrete screws into a block wall, and this is on the brick side of the exterior of my house, and I'm on this project where I'm putting in a new lift-off fence gate. So what I decided to do is try a new fastener. These are the ones that I'm going to try now. I've never tried them before, and it takes a number 3 impact bit. So I'm trying out these new Makita impact bits as well, and all I've done out there is just cut the board to length. I've drilled holes in it already. All I'm going to do is just use my ordinary drill to just mark a couple of holes that I have to drill continuously through with my rotary hammer. But I'm going to try this idea and see how these screws work, because I'm going to tell you something. I've tried these Tapcon screws before. Any of you guys ever tried these with that end on it? If you're going into, you know, like completely straight down, it's fine. But, you know, if you're going, you know, horizontal, I find it slips off the end, vibrates, and just crushes your tip. I cannot get these things to work half the time. I don't know why. I'm going to try these ones with the square drive and we'll see how we make out. But I'll just show you now what I got planned out by the gate here, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Well, this is the setup here. Here's the old 4x4 post that just had 2 anchors with lag screws that went into the wall, and I'm not going to be doing that. But as you can see here, what I've done is pre-drilled some holes out all the way along, and what I'm going to do is now just use my drill and just mark where them holes are, and then pre-drill them out before I actually mount it on. And I'm going to put some couple of beads of construction adhesive down, and then we'll try these new screws, these concrete screws that I got, and the square drive Makita impact bits. So let's get to that right now. Okay, so this is all level. I'm ready to go, and all I'm going to do is just put a little bit of weight on this, because that's exactly where I want it to go. And that's all you have to do. I'll do it with the rest all the way down, then I'll bring you back when I'm going to install it. You know, a lot of people have never used a rotary hammer before. They just use the regular hammer drill. And guys, all it does is waller out these holes way too big to accept a fastener. So I've never had much luck with it. So what I'll do is I'll show you my rotary hammer. I'll give you a close-up shot, and I'll just show you me drilling one hole, just so you know the difference between a rotary hammer and a hammer drill and a regular drill. A regular drill, you're going to be there for a month of Sundays drilling these holes. A hammer drill can get it done, but I find it wallers out the holes, and I've never had much luck with it. So let's get to it right here, and I'll show you me doing one hole first. Okay, I got you pretty well zoomed in there, and you can see this is the first mark I got, and the second one is right here on the mortar joint. So I really don't like going to mortar joints, but you know, do the best you can. So let's do it right here. Let's see if you can see how nice this goes through. Now I only have to go in about 1.5 inches tops, because that's how far the fastener was going in. Whoa, easy now. You see how fast this punches in here, eh? Okay, so all I've done is I just put the screws just past the edge there a bit, put the caulking on, or the adhesive, and I'll just place it in here, see if I can get it close to stabbing in them holes. That's about it right there. Now I can feel the screws have just gone into the holes themselves. So let me just put one in here and see how it goes. Beautiful. That's what I like, to go flush. I'll give you a close-up shot of this as they're going in. Okay, so this one's nice and flush. Now this one here is on the mortar joint. I'm not too sure how it's going to go, but we'll give it a go here. Beautiful. So I'll show you these two here. So let's move down to these next two. Man, is that nice. Okay, so we're down at the bottom there, and you could see that this board, like, it's pretty far out. I don't know if these screws will suck that in, but let's see. Not bad. Guys, that's not bad at all. Well, that's it right there. You know, these screws did an awesome job. They bit in there real nice. And I'm surprised it pulled it in the corner there. So what do you guys think? Well, what do you guys think? I tell you what, the years of not using a rotary hammer is like night and day. There's no way I would have attempted that anymore with just a regular hammer drill. Forget it. And this is the construction adhesive I threw on there. And pretty much any construction adhesive is good. The old days of drilling a great big 3/4 inch hole, putting in a lead anchor and all that kind of stuff, forget it. This took me 15 minutes to do, and I think it's easy to do with the right fasteners. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again. Let's have some more fun. Cheers.